Is your iPhone hotspot option grayed out or not working? That can really be frustrating. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can share your internet again. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, tap on Settings. You can see that the personal hotspot here is disabled and grayed out. Tap on Mobile Service. Scroll down and tap on Mobile Data Network. You can see the option is toggled on for Use Network Provider Settings. So for some default network providers, they don't automatically allow you to use your personal hotspot. As you can see from my mobile data, my current provider is a company called TPG, and it is active for mobile data. Take note of this name for your own network service provider. It will differ from mine to yours. Scroll down and you can see that the rest of the options are empty and grayed out. Toggle the option off. Tap on Erase Network Provider Settings because you want to manually key in your own settings. Under APN for mobile data, I will key in TPG, which is my provider. Then scroll down under the section Personal Hotspot. I will also key in TPG under the APN here. This will tell your phone that you want to use the TPG network for both mobile data and personal hotspot. A reminder again, your APN name will be different from mine, so do key in the appropriate name for your own service provider. Tap on the back icon. Under personal hotspot, now you can see my option is no longer grayed out and I can tap in to change the password and other settings. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.